you're all having a good day. Look who's home. Braylee. Winston. There he is. Casey is showering. Gage is downstairs with Layla. But we're gonna hurry and run to the place where they're having, well, I can't talk today. Braylee and I are hurrying to run to the place where they're having the wedding dinner tonight just to help decorate a little bit. I'm sure that they're probably done, but we'll go and like check it out. And then I made these signs. Share the love. Let's see the other one. I think that I showed them. If you're using Instagram, I made those last night. Morgan asked me to for the wedding, but I thought that they would be good for the dinner too, just in case anyone takes pictures. We're back at Hobby Lobby, and I'm looking great. We're getting straight pins for Lari, and also, let's go this way. And I ordered Casey a man crate because we heard an advertisement on the radio, and he was kind of like, he was saying, wouldn't it be so awesome to open a Father's Day present with a crowbar? And I was like, I have to get it for him. And they have a bunch of different boxes you can get. So, oh yeah, those are cute. So I ordered one. So excited because I just thought it would be so funny. And I don't know. It got to the house this morning and it didn't come in a box, in a wood box. It came in a regular box. So he won't be able to open it with a crowbar. So I'm gonna look and see if they have any boxes that I can like nail shut. So, you know, kind of like the same thing. But I'm so bummed. Anyways, so we're gonna grab that really quickly and some straight pins and then head over. Oh my gosh. What? So many cute things. The cutest decorations in the world. Well, if you're in a hurry or if you don't have any money, then you'll find everything that you could ever want here. If you go for something in mind, then you won't. Look how cute this is. Let's sleep in. That would be cute in your room.
I have that. You got that for me, remember? Oh, yes.
Super cute.
Look how cute.
These are pretty too.
Mom, look. That's cute. She's going places.
And you are, girl. Super cute.
And
okay.
above all else.
We're gonna have to come back. Let's hurry and find what we came for.
This is my happy place
because we need to go. Okay. Haley, guess what? I cleaned my car yesterday and guess what? You're the only one who had junk in here. Okay, guys. Look at our man crate that we made. This was so awesome. Worked out great. Okay, we grabbed those pins. We need to take those to Grandma. And I'm super pumped about this. So I'll just nail this shut. And then we can add more to the stuff that came. I'm really excited. That worked out great. I got my hair curled. But really quickly before we leave, my boys have been begging all day to open their Rockets of Awesome clothing boxes. If you don't know what Rockets of Awesome is, it is a delivery box that is full of 8 super cool pieces of clothing. My boys can't wait to see what is inside of their box. So they're just basically on a mission to simplify the lives of parents, which is amazing. This is a box that will be delivered to your door seasonally. They also get to know your child's likes, dislikes, unique styles by taking a quick 2-minute quiz, and they'll use your answers to make sure that you love your box. They're the only kid subscription box that lets you sneak a peek. So you'll be able to preview, approve, or swap out anything that you think that your child might not like, which is amazing. And you can do all that before it ships. And their prices range between like $16 and $38. They also include a prepaid shipping envelope, so you can keep the things that you love and return the things that you don't. It's easy and free for you to return those things, but if you love everything, which I think we will, you can keep everything in the box for $150. Are you guys ready to check these boxes out? Okay, scoot them over here so that you guys can sit down on the rug. I'm happy that the kids are so excited about these because if you know kids and if you've ever shopped for a kid, you know that they can be super picky. Going to the mall can be the most stressful thing, and they just grow out of things so quickly and their style changes. My kids are also extremely hard on their clothes, right? Because they love to play outside and they get really messy. And most brands are either low quality, too expensive, or have kind of boring styles.
Look at, they're reflective. It says on the back, guys, it says, look at, if you read this sticker on the back, it says flash. This is reflective, so
cool.
You look at it and then you can,
that's perfect for night games.
Reflect.
Nice.
So that's why it says reflective.
Nice. Those are just shorts. I love that color.
I'll probably wear this a lot.
Cool.
I've never seen her too.
Ooh, I love this.
So excited about clothes.
I know.
Oh, this is
kind of nice. Look at these cuties. We loved everything in the boxes. I also love that a lot of the things are mix and match. So many different looks with these 8 pieces. And the boys are super happy. Well, I think we'll keep everything. Cuties. Do you have another favorite thing in there? Yeah, that's cool.
Finger up, finger down.
I love this one.
I also really like this.
Cute, that's perfect for summer. In order to get a box of these clothes delivered, there's typically a $20 service fee, but the first 50 people to click the link in my description box will have that service charge waived. So you'll get a Rockets of Awesome box delivered to your door for free, and you only have to pay for what you want to keep. It's only the first 50 people, so be quick to click the link in the description box. You're my baby. My baby.
How do you turn these on? Do you know how to turn these on?
I don't know how to turn the wipers on. We're leaving Logan and Morgan's rehearsal dinner. It was fun and beautiful.
It says
Laurie
to
decorated
turn
it,
it.
Laurie and Carly, and it was beautiful.
It's not turning.
Uh-oh.
Oh, those are the brights.
You got the brights on, you got the blinker on. Over here? Nope.
Downed it. Nah, I'm
Got
so
it.
smart.
Wait,
Look at me.
how do you keep it on?
Howdy diddly ho.
That was one in the back. You did one in the back.
Oh, we did the one in the back. Okay, got that figured out. Anyways, it was really nice. I'm so excited that they're getting married tomorrow. Casey gave some great advice. He wrote down the song that was playing at the time.
It was a great song. Anyway, back to the music.
No, he wrote the song that was playing at the time, but he wrote it down wrong, the lyrics.
Yeah, it's funny. Like,
Yeah, it's funny.
there's a series on YouTube. It's called like funny song lyrics.
Casey looks so handsome. I keep staring at him.
Okay.
You guys, it's the beginning of my pantry. Oh, how awesome is this gonna be? And there's still a lot of room. Whoa, watch out, everyone. Oh.
Get some stuff done. Been doing this the last couple hours. Nails in.
Casey, those aren't your tools.
You know you talk to me like that, woman.
Tim the Tool Man Taylor.
You know I could shoot you with
Don't! Yeah, I'm scared that you'll joke around and then really shoot me.
powerful. I'm gonna ask Andrew when he gets back if I can help him. I helped him hang this.
You did?
Yeah.
Do you need some help? I'll help you.
You're not gonna have a shirt on. You can come over and be like, I was just been looking at your nail again. That what construction guys do. Hey, bud. Andrew. Gotcha. That's good.
Such a dork. Okay, let's go check on the children. We got caramel apples. We didn't eat them. Oh, I hear a baby's crying though. Which one is it? Thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for always watching. Love you guys. We'll see you next time. Bye. Oh. Next time. Can you blow a kiss? Mwah. Blow a kiss.